here at the local Walmart and contemplating getting myself a fishing rod just to hang out in the truck, because a lot of times I travel around for work and I drive by these lakes. I just wish I had a fishing rod in the truck. So what I might do is there's one here, it's on sale for 20 bucks. It comes with some hooks, so maybe I'll just leave that in the truck, and then when I'm driving down by the lakes I can just pull over and go give a little dangle. I'm thinking after my job today I might pull into the local trout pond and go try to catch some trout there. So stay tuned and I'll show you this rod here. Alright, so I just got it at Walmart. I'm not really sure how much footage I'm going to be able to use from inside the Walmart there, because they have the music blasting and I don't want any copyright infringements there on the old YouTube page. So I'll have a look at that, see what I can use. But I went in there, I got a fishing rod and I got a little fishing box for trout. Let me just show you here. Shakespeare trout complete fishing kit. So this is on the discount rack for $10, and then this one here, Shakespeare catfish and more complete fishing kit, 32 pieces. We got the Shakespeare rod and reel all together here, and this was $20 even. For $30 I got the rod, reel, a bunch of tackle, and then a box with a bunch more tackle in it. So like I was saying, in Walmart, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use that, but I'm always out and about on the road. I'm driving by all these places, and I always wish I had a fishing rod in the truck so I could just go give a little dangle here and there wherever I can. So today I'm going to head out. We're going to do our job. We're going to work, clean some windows, and then on our way back I think we're going to stop at the local pond and see if we can pull some trout out. Okay, in this little kit it came a little booklet here. Shows different types of baits and knots and just some little bit of info we might actually go through and look at. And came with a pack of power baits. So we'll see how the trout like that. Came with a little rope to hook them on. Came with a little pack of hooks. Another little bit of tri hooks. 2 spinners that look exactly the same. And a couple little weights. 3 bobbers. And a big weight. And then with the rod, it came 2 jigs, 2 more bobbers, 2 jig heads, more weights, more hooks, and then a couple jig bodies. So yeah, 32 pieces with the rod and reel. All came to $30 today. So it'll be a nice little kit to have in the truck, I think. I'm going to put all this together, head out, clean some windows, and maybe see you at the pond. Alright, we're just out here doing some windows. We're going to clean these windows today, and I drove past 2 trout ponds to get here. So we are about 25 minutes out of Vegreville. On the way back, we're going to hit up I believe it's the Ranfurly trout pond, and then the Vegreville trout pond. So come with me, let's clean some windows, and let's get out fishing. windows are done. We made it here. It's the Innisfree trout pond. It was just like 2 kilometers away from where I was cleaning windows today. So we're gonna go take the new rod out and give it a little try. So we're out here at the Innisfree trout pond. Got the hook in the water. And we're just giving a little dangle. Stay tuned. Maybe we'll catch something. So unfortunately, the only thing biting were the mosquitoes. I'm leaving here with probably like 10 mosquito bites on my arms. I don't have any bug spray in the truck right now, so that's something I'm gonna have to get. Probably grab some for the truck today, and then we'll go from there. Thanks for coming along.